Alright, so today I'm at APG. I'm gonna do the brake lines. I had the main line that goes from the front to the rear blow up. So you're gonna see a mess in the car, and yeah, I'm gonna get all covered in brake fluid and grimy. But that's today's activity. So hard to see, but hold on. There we go. So I'm gonna say that this is the line that's spewing fluid everywhere. So yeah, we gotta fix that. Here's one of the way up there. Runs across here. Bam. So cringe, but I have to do it. So here I am following the 570 Greg Salvatore, and I can't remember his name, so I'll put it in a little thing right here. Oh man.
Mr. Duck. Get the duck off the car. Now get your face away from the car.
Put my ass in the picture.
Damn.
I'll unfollow you real quick.
Did the coins go away?
Yeah. Did you put them on top of my tire?
Well, one tire was here, so the coin has to be right here somewhere.
One was right here.
Yeah, so the coin has to be here.
There's a quarter right here.
Center line of both tires on
here's
this
a
side.
quarter.
Alright, so that was
And here's
what?
the other one.
Yeah, here's the other
Alright, so that was the back tire.
Back
His
tire.
tire was right here.
Okay.
And then his front tire was right there.
All right, you got him?
All right.
All right, so, well, so here we are setting up our cars for the intro. I don't know. It's turning out to be a little funnier than it should. Was that you giving him the finger or showing him an actual camera?
Raw, uncut.
So we're moving to another location. We just got displaced. It was a little too busy to be filming what we're trying to do. So yeah, that's next location. Well, we're here at spot number 2, switching spots again. Yeah, hope you guys like that. How'd you like that?
Well, we talk about the double takes.
Double takes.
Yeah, we're like masters of the retake around here because we don't know what we're doing. We can't get it right on the first take.
Well, we're setting up. I don't know if you can see. I got the 570 behind me. That guy right there. And then Greg. And Troy, right?
Troy, yeah.
I suck with names, dude. I was telling him, like, if I forget your name, don't be offended. Just suck with names. That is a sweet shot right there. Hard to see the 570 back there, but he's there. So here we are, a little collaboration video that us four are working on. Expect to see us at the call out in Cecil County on the 28th of October. We'll be there showing our vehicles and pretty much giving you a taste of what our channels are about.
Hope to see everyone there.
Hey YouTube, this is Gregory Salvatore here, and I'm with
Josh from the 570.
Emilio from Venom DT87.
Troy from New Jersey, Plum Crazy.
and we're here to announce that we will be at the Cecil County Dragway on October 28th for the YouTube call-out Oktoberfest. Hey YouTube, it's Gregory Salvatore here, and we're here to announce our...
Take 3.
Hey YouTube, this is Gregory Salvatore, and we're here with the 570 Venom GT87. You're going to do your own channels.
Alright.
So you just go in and
He's
say...
the one that knows it. I don't know.
Make sure you check out all of our channels, and we'll see you next time.
Thumbs up?
Yep.
I like Tricky Ricky? Or Tricky Rick, or what is it?
Slip Rick?
No, like Nixon.
Oh, that's
Tricky Dick, or whatever they call them.
Dick.
There you go.
I don't know who Nixon is. Used to be a president. Pretty famous guy. Huge nose. That was before my time.
Using a gigantic tripod as a selfie stick. Right?